All right, all right, all right. I want to run out and get some tacos. So I'm going to wrap this up right now. We got about 15 minutes left to go. We got that 10-minute mayhem at the end of the market. So this could end anyway, but I don't think the picture is going to change much. If we look at the 240s, we're starting to get a little bit of a roll around on the momentum. And this is a heavy move down, so it takes a little while to turn this thing around. And it could possibly be an update. Hold on. Could possibly be an up move on Monday based on that. But if you look at the 1 minute, the daily chart, the momentum really isn't spinning at all, isn't turning. I mean, we're making some bottoming tails, really like indecisive bars. I had hoped this closed in a green hammer, but I don't see it happening today. It's got to make quite a move, about 15-point move. So we could argue that this is a bear flag and a trigger of the bear flag tomorrow or Monday, which would already be about a 20-point move down, could head us right down for the 627 range. I don't see anything in the market to make us move so aggressively, but maybe we break that. I believe that's a 50 simple, and then retrace off of it on Monday and get our hammer. Hopefully, start turning this momentum around a little bit. But just seems very indecisive. And what's really going on is people are just rolling out of tech, going into cyclicals, defensives, and that's really what's holding the S&P up. As a matter of fact, Microsoft, Microsoft's up for the day. Apple's up for the day. Tesla's getting beat on a little bit. Amazon's getting beat on a little bit. But that's about it. ExxonMobil did phenomenal. A lot of money going into energy. Viacom, it looks like people are starting to get wind of Viacom. I hope everybody took advantage of it while I was talking about it. TB2 is actually, or obviously, benefiting from the move in bonds. And that's it. The VIX actually traded off too, which is kind of encouraging for a Monday up market. People are getting more comfortable with the market. So the jobs numbers came in light, but unemployment came in better than expected. Very few people out there working, but I think the jobs numbers getting skewed because a lot of people are doing side hustles these days. They're not doing full-time jobs. And like we discussed last week, a lot of minimum income people held down 2 jobs. You just doubled their salary, so they whacked out 1 job. So I think that has a lot to do with it too. But yeah, we still have inflation issue in there. The Fed's talking about not rolling into other bonds or letting bonds roll off the balance sheet. So there's a lot of questions out there. And the last time the Fed took away the punch bowl, there was a little temper tantrum thrown, a little taper tantrum they called it. So I think that's kind of the expectation, and that's really what's going on here. But I think eventually that's going to fade out. And you know what? The Feds do a lot of jawboning, a lot of talk. So what they talk about and what they do are usually 2 different pictures. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. And I don't know. They clear up this supply side issue on shipping and everything, and I think we start to see inflation come down. And everybody's so focused on inflation right now that I think that we kind of peaked out on it. We're going to start seeing it free up. I mean, they're starting to see things free up at the docks as it is. So we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. I'm not going to do the weekly. I'll probably go over the weekly first thing Monday morning so I get a good picture of what's going to happen. So everybody have a great weekend. I hope you all made money, and good luck trading. Oh, you know what? Before we go, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate your time. Good luck.